Hello everyone, and welcome back to our 10-week beginner English course. This is lesson 6, talking about food and drinks. Remember, we have new lessons every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So if you're following along, by the end of 10 weeks, you'll complete 30 full English lessons. Today's lesson is very practical because food and drinks are things we talk about every single day. By the end of this class, you will be able to name common foods and drinks in English, ask and answer questions about food, say what you like and don't like, practice real-life dialogues. So, let's get started. Part 1. Food vocabulary basic words. Repeat after me. Fruits and vegetables. Apple, I eat an apple. Banana, bananas are yellow. Orange, I like orange juice. Mango, mango is sweet. Tomato, tomatoes are red. Potato, potatoes are delicious. Carrot, carrots are healthy. Meals and other foods. Bread, I eat bread for breakfast. Rice, rice is white. Meat, I eat meat with rice. Fish, fish is healthy. Chicken, chicken is tasty. Egg, I like boiled eggs. Soup, the soup is hot. Snacks and sweets. Cake, I eat cake on my birthday. Chocolate, chocolate is sweet. Ice cream, I like cold ice cream. Cookies, cookies are delicious. Practice, I'll say the word. You repeat after me. Part 2. Drinks vocabulary, repeat after me. Water, I drink water every day. Milk, milk is healthy. Tea, I drink tea in the morning. Coffee, coffee is hot. Juice, I like mango juice. Soda, soda is sweet. Quick exercise. Say 3 drinks you like. Great. Part 3. Asking about food and drinks. Here are some useful questions. What do you like to eat? What do you want to drink? Do you like chicken? Do you like coffee? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite drink? And answers. I like pizza. I want tea. Yes, I like chicken. No, I don't like coffee. My favorite food is rice. My favorite drink is milk. Part 4. Useful sentences. Here are some short and useful sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Let's eat breakfast. Let's have lunch. Dinner is ready. I like sweet food. I don't like spicy food. This food is delicious. This drink is cold. I want some water, please. Say these sentences out loud. Part 5. Dialogue practice. Now let's practice some short conversations. I will read one part, and you will read the other part. Dialogue 1. At home. A. Are you hungry? B. Yes, I am hungry. A. What do you want to eat? B. I want rice and chicken. A. Okay, let's eat together. Now switch roles. You read A, I read B. Dialogue 2. At A. Good morning. What do you want to drink? B. I want a cup of tea, please. A. Do you want milk with tea? B. Yes, please. A. Here is your tea. B. Thank you. Now, your turn to speak both A and B. Dialogue 3. Talking about favorites. A. What is your favorite food? B. My favorite food is pizza. A. What is your favorite drink? B. I like orange juice. A. Yummy. Pizza and juice are delicious. Repeat the full dialogue with me. Part 6. Extended practice sentences. Let's practice making longer sentences. For breakfast, I eat bread and eggs. For lunch, I eat rice and chicken. For dinner, I eat soup and fish. I drink milk in the morning. I drink coffee in the afternoon. I drink water every day. I don't like soda because it is too sweet. I like ice cream in the summer. Your turn. Say 3 sentences about your meals today. Part 7. Practice activity. Now let's play a quick practice game. I will ask you questions, and you answer aloud. What do you want to eat? What do you want to drink? Do you like rice? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite drink? Great job. Part 8. Recap. Today, we learned food, vocabulary, fruits, vegetables, meals, snacks, drinks, vocabulary questions, and answers about food, useful sentences for daily life, real-life dialogues. Part 9. Homework, practice task. Now it's your turn to practice. Write 5 sentences about your favorite foods and drinks in the comments. Example: I like apples. I eat bread for breakfast. My favorite food is chicken. I like orange juice. I drink coffee in the morning. I will read your comments, so don't forget to practice. Part 10. Closing. You did great today. Every lesson you complete makes your English stronger. Remember, practice every day. Repeat the sentences, read them aloud, and try to use them in your real life. Don't forget, new lessons are uploaded every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss Lesson 7. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.